Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create cinematic videos in Google Flow step by step. If you want your AI-generated videos to look more like scenes from a movie, this guide will help you achieve a professional cinematic style. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Google Flow website. Sign in with your Google account and open an existing project or create a new one by clicking *** new project ***. Once you're in the project workspace, click on the prompt box. The prompt is the most important part of creating a cinematic video because it tells the AI exactly what you want to generate. When writing your prompt, describe the scene in as much detail as possible. Include the location, characters, weather, lighting, and mood. For example, instead of writing "a man walking," you could write "a lone traveler walking through a foggy forest at sunrise, soft golden light shining through the trees, cinematic atmosphere." Dramatic composition, ultra-realistic details, * to make the video feel more like a film, include camera movements in your prompt. You can describe a slow dolly shot, a smooth tracking shot, a drone flyover, a close-up, a wide-angle view, or a cinematic pan. These details help create more dynamic and professional-looking results. If Google Flow provides style options, select a cinematic or realistic style before generating the video. You can also adjust the aspect ratio and quality settings if those options are available. Higher quality settings generally produce better-looking videos. Now click the *generate ** button and wait while Google Flow creates your cinematic scene. Once the generation is complete, preview the video carefully. Look at the lighting, camera movement, colors, and overall visual quality. If the result isn't exactly what you imagined, refine your prompt by adding more descriptive details. You can also experiment with different lighting conditions, camera angles, or emotional descriptions to create a stronger cinematic effect. After you're happy with the final result, save your project so you can edit it later if needed. If your version of Google Flow includes an ** export ** or download ** option, use it to save the finished video to your computer. And that's how you create cinematic videos in Google Flow. With detailed prompts, creative ideas, and a little experimentation, you can produce AI-generated videos that have a professional, movie-like appearance. Thanks for watching. If you